ChatGPT. There has been a lot of talk about it lately. The neural net is slowly taking over the world. Artificial intelligence-based chat is capable of writing software code, generating texts, poems, photos and videos. Its potential could change the world. Various experts are exploring how to apply this technology to their own work and business. They say that the current version of ChatGPT is only a beta test, and the real power of artificial intelligence, we will see later. What are the prospects for the application of this neural network? First, let's explain what ChatGPT is. The technology was introduced by OpenAI in November 2022. Its main difference from Google's search engine is that the neural network interacts with the user through a dialogue. It is able to provide answers and have a discussion. If a search engine finds 1 million pages of relevant content, ChatGPT creates an answer based on the data it has. It is exactly new text written by the machine. It generates its own content. The chatbot is based on a speech model. Algorithms are structured in the same way as the human brain. But artificial intelligence is incapable of evaluative judgment and emotion. The neural network is incapable of variation of information. This could pose a threat in the future. For example, for news consumers who may mistake fake reports for the truth. This is not the last challenge society will face. From the creation of deepfakes, to weapons of mass destruction, based on artificial intelligence. Still, the prospects for neural networks are impressive. For example, designer Amar Reshi wrote a children's book using ChatGPT, created illustrations for it, and is now selling the book on Amazon. One of Drake's rap musicians was also replaced by an artificial intelligence that generated a song in his style. The story of how ChatGPT successfully passed the final exams at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School of Business is telling. All exams were passed with an average of good marks. And there are more and more such examples. In the educational environment, the new technology has been met with guarded caution. Opinions are divided as to how neural networks will change the educational process. On the one hand, the new technology should improve the work of both students and teachers. On the other hand, there are certain risks, such as students' lack of autonomy, impact on social interaction, violation of privacy, and others. Here is what some experts say. Technician Dan Gilmore once used ChatGPT for a student assignment. He found that the text generated was almost exactly the same as if a student had created it. Gilmore opined that academia is going to have some very serious problems. Professor Jeremy Wiesman called artificial intelligence a new threat to human intelligence and academic integrity. But he believes students should have experience with these programs because such skills will be needed in the job market. Many experts fear that the widespread use of ChatGPT will lead to a decline in the intellectual level of children. After all, why should pupils think and find solutions to problems themselves, when now a chatbot can do everything for them? According to expert Vladimir Spivakovsky, the neural network will change the learning process and open up new opportunities for both students and teachers. Students will have to develop their critical, logical, analytical thinking and concentration. Expand their picture of the world. Learn to talk to other intelligences, which was not the case before. Teachers will find it easier to compose assignments and learning materials. Digital expert Sloan Andrew McAfee believes there are now 4 areas in which humans have an advantage over artificial intelligence. First, it is common sense. Second, the ability to ask questions. Computers don't know what to work on. Third, the social skills that are required. And finally, humans have a unique ability to collaborate with artificial intelligence. Discussions are ongoing. But it should be understood that teachers have unique abilities that artificial intelligence cannot replace. At Mini Boss Business School, children gain knowledge through experience. Practice allows them to learn how to apply knowledge in real life. And our job is to support children in their desire to know and be able to do more. to encourage students to independently master the new tools they will need to realize their talents. What these tools are and how to work with them are discussed in the following videos.